In today's video, I'm going to teach you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide or show grid lines in Google Sheets on your desktop, helping you customize how your sheet looks for editing or presentation. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser. This process works the same whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Chrome OS, as long as you're using the web version of Google Sheets. Once your sheet is open, make sure you're on the tab you want to adjust, because this setting applies to the current sheet tab you're viewing. Next, look to the top of the screen and click the View menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps display-related options that affect how your sheet looks while you work. When the menu opens, move your cursor to the Show section. You'll see a list of on-screen elements that you can toggle, like formulas, notes, and, importantly for us, grid lines. Now, click Grid Lines to toggle them on or off. If there's a check mark next to grid lines, that means they're currently visible. Clicking it will hide them. If there's no check mark, clicking will turn them back on. As soon as you click, the sheet updates instantly, so you'll immediately see the difference. With grid lines off, your sheet has a cleaner, presentation-friendly look. With grid lines on, you get a clearer sense of each cell's boundaries while you edit. A quick tip here. Grid lines are just the faint gray guides you see on the screen. They're not the same as borders. If you've applied borders to cells, those will remain visible even when grid lines are hidden. That makes it easy to design cleaner sections or tables while keeping structure where you need it. Also, if you don't notice a change right away, double-check that you're not zoomed in unusually or working in a filtered view. The toggle still works, but the visual difference can be subtler at extreme zoom levels. Once you've set the grid lines the way you want, you can continue editing or formatting as usual. Many people prefer turning grid lines off before sharing a screen or presenting, then turning them back on for day-to-day editing. Remember, the toggle is per sheet tab, so if you switch to another tab and want the same look, repeat the same steps there. And one more note. This setting affects how you see the sheet on screen. If you're planning to print, printing grid lines is controlled separately in the print settings, so you can keep your on-screen view clean while still printing guides if needed. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective for polishing your Google Sheets.